Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Stepfather Kevin Hall from Kansas says that typically on the weekends his wife, Yvonne, hears from her son, James Ray Dyer, named after his grandfather on his mother's side, and nicknamed Jamie. However, this weekend it was a call no mother ever wants to hear.
My wife had went to work, and she always had called Jamie on the weekends.
Mm-hmm.
And one of Jamie's friends contacted my wife while she was at work. She come home, woke me up about, I think it was about 7:30, 8 o'clock our time, and told me that Jamie was in critical condition. He'd had a motorcycle wreck.
Jamie, at the age of 23 years old, passed away Sunday early morning at KUAM Memorial Hospital after a motorcycle accident along Route 4 near Hagåtña McDonald's on Saturday evening. Hall said they were informed that Jamie's injuries were severe, and he went into surgery for an operation on his spleen.
Being a firefighter and so on, I knew whenever they told us that his spleen was injured and so on, I had kind of had my hopes that he would make it through. The first thing that my wife told me was that his left side, he had a broken hip, broken ribs, and then his spleen, and I think they said he had some lungs had some blood in it, and I kind of went numb after everything was being told.
Jamie joined the Navy in 2014 after school. He spent 4 years in Spain, returned home and re-enlisted, and then was asked to come to Guam. Jamie lived on the island for almost 2 years.
The one thing I can tell you is, from watching him grow up to this point and so on, for the 10 years that I was around him and things, I seen him grow from being a teenager that, just like my son, a teenager that knew everything to somebody that respected everybody and anybody.
Hall said he was a caring young man who volunteered at the USO in Guam on the weekend. According to preliminary investigations by the Guam Police Department, the motorcyclist Jamie was traveling southbound in the outer lane when he ran off the road and hit a guardrail. Responders had to enter the jungle in order to rescue him before he was transported to the hospital.
We're dealing with it day by day, and I just have to be the rock for my wife. I have my pain of it and so on, but I don't know what it feels like as a mother, to be a nurturing mother and so on, how that feels.
Jamie's mother will be traveling to Guam this weekend for a memorial with the Guam military, and following the service, his body will be transported to the mainland for the family's funeral. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.